Hi and welcome to Best4All. In this video, we will show you
improving your standing and walking posture. Though improving your posture is no easy feat, having good posture can help you look and feel better. If you find yourself slouching a lot, take steps to work on your posture in all parts of your life, from walking to sleeping. Though improvement takes time, you can use brain tricks to help you remember to fix your posture, as well as try out a few exercises to strengthen your muscles. Step 1, find your center by standing up straight and tall. Keep your chin level with the ground, your shoulders back, and your stomach in. Let your arms fall naturally at your sides. Place your feet about shoulder width apart, the same stance you would use for working out. Imagine a string holding you up. As you stand tall, imagine a string is coming from the ceiling, pulling you upwards. Keep your lower back in line, and don't move to your tiptoes. Visualization techniques like this one can guide your sense of the proper position you should be in. Step 2, use a wall to teach yourself correct posture. Stand with your back against a door or a wall. Just touch the wall with the back of your head, your shoulders, and your butt. Your heels should be 2 to 4 inches, 5.1 to 10.2 centimeters, away from the wall. Slide your hand behind your back to check for space. You should be able to slide your hand behind your back but only by a little bit. If you have more space than that, pull your belly button back towards your spine to help flatten your back a little. If you can't slide your hand behind your back, arch your back so that you can. Try to hold this position as you move away from the wall, rechecking as needed. Away from the wall, if you simply put your head back, tuck your chin in, and pull your abdominals in, then you will find that your spine, shoulders, and chest automatically go into the positions that they're supposed to be in for good posture. Think about it, if you put your head back and tuck your chin in, then your chest will automatically be out front. And the good change in spine position will automatically push your shoulders back, to the correct position, and encourage the proper curve to the middle of your back, near the bottom of the rib cage. Then, it becomes quick and easy to think, head back, chin tucked, ABSN. Go back to the wall again and notice that the wall actually guides you to achieve this very posture of head back, chin tucked, ABSN. Step 3, have someone tape an X on your back to help correct your posture. Make an X from your shoulders to your hips. Add a straight line of tape across your shoulders closing the top of the X. Wear this during the day to help retrain your back. This technique works really well if you hold your shoulders back before taping. Use a tape meant for skin, such as a medical tape. Instead of tape, you can buy a posture corrector online. Step 4, keep your weight on the balls of your feet. When you rest on your heels, your natural tendency will be to slouch. Instead, stand up straight, shifting your weight forward a bit. Now rock back so that your weight is on your heels. Notice the way your entire body shifts into a slouchy posture with this single motion. Step 5, walk as if you have a book balanced on your head. Imagining a book on your head will help you keep your head up and your back straight. If you're having trouble imagining it, try a real book for a few minutes. Have a good standing posture while moving. Walking with good posture is simply an extension of standing with good posture. Keep your head up, shoulders back, chest out, and eyes looking straight ahead while you walk. Avoid pushing your head forward. Step 6, pick supportive footwear for standing and walking. Choose shoes that have ample padding to help you hold yourself upright. In addition, make sure they have good arch support. Good posture starts with your feet. Avoid shoes with high heels, as they can change your body's alignment. If you're standing for long periods, add padding to the floor for additional comfort.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends.